which can put them at a disadvantage. Integration challenges. Integrating AI and robotics with existing business operations can be a complex and time-consuming process. Entrepreneurs need to carefully plan and execute the integration process to avoid disruptions. Training and education. The adoption of AI and robotics requires extensive training and education. Entrepreneurs need to invest in continuous training for their employees to maximize the benefits of these technologies. Privacy and security. The use of AI and robotics comes with privacy and security concerns. Business owners need to ensure that customer data is protected, and security measures are in place to prevent data breaches. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even more transformative changes in the world of entrepreneurship. For instance, the use of AI and robotics in the healthcare industry has the potential to revolutionize the way patients are diagnosed and treated. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, AI algorithms can aid in the early detection of diseases and illnesses, enabling doctors to provide personalized treatment plans. Similarly, in the transportation industry, self-driving vehicles powered by AI can improve safety, reduce emissions, and increase efficiency. This technology has the potential to transform the way goods are transported, reducing costs and enabling faster delivery times. The entertainment industry is also beginning to leverage AI and robotics to create more immersive and engaging experiences for customers. For instance, theme parks are using robotics to create lifelike animatronics that provide a more realistic and interactive experience for visitors. Additionally, AI and robotics have the potential to address some of the world's most pressing issues, such as climate change and food insecurity. For instance, robotics can be used to automate agricultural processes, reducing wastage and increasing crop yields. Similarly, AI algorithms can aid in the prediction of natural disasters, enabling governments to respond quickly and effectively. Moreover, AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide personalized advice on energy-saving practices, encouraging individuals to adopt more sustainable habits. These are just a few examples of how AI and robotics can be used to address global challenges and create a better world. As AI and robotics continue to evolve, entrepreneurs need to stay abreast of the latest developments in these technologies to remain competitive. They need to be open to adopting new technologies and incorporating them into their business models to drive growth and innovation. With that said, it's important to note that there are still debates around the impact of AI and robotics on employment. Some argue that automation will lead to job losses, while others argue that it will create new job opportunities. As entrepreneurs adopt these technologies, it's crucial to consider the potential impact on their employees and take steps to ensure their job security. Moreover, the ethical implications of AI and robotics need to be considered. With the growing use of AI algorithms in decision-making processes, there's a risk of biases and discrimination. It's crucial to ensure that these technologies are developed and used in an ethical and responsible manner, with a focus on fairness and inclusivity. They provide new opportunities for growth and innovation, and can create a better world for all. As AI and robotics become more widely adopted, it's crucial that we continue to study their impact and find ways to address any potential negative consequences. With thoughtful consideration and responsible development, AI and robotics can truly transform the world for the better. Entrepreneurs must be willing to learn and invest in these technological advancements to take advantage of the many benefits that come with AI and robotics. The role of AI and robotics in entrepreneurship is one that cannot be ignored, and it is essential to stay updated with the latest advancements in these technologies. It's clear that the integration of AI and robotics in entrepreneurship is changing the way businesses operate. From improved efficiency and productivity to the personalization of customer experiences,